Hi, my name is Angelique Carey, and this is my final project, Book Titles and Their Origins, for Management 330 class, online class with Professor Floor at the University of New Mexico. Many authors will use quotations from literatures as their title for their works. I created a database with the book title and its author, as well as the original work from which their title was derived. For example, A Catskill Eagle by Robert B. Parker. The title, Catskill Eagle, was a quotation within Moby Dick, written by Herman Melville, as well as I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings by Maya Angelou, was a quotation within the work Sympathy by Paul Laurence. I created this webpage to manipulate the information in the database book titles. I can add to this collection. We can also update the information or delete the information, as well as purchase a book. I added this last page, purchase, just to show some of the other things that we had learned in the class. So if I wanted to add to the collection, I could enter a book title, and enter the name of a author, as well as another book and an author. And it would add that information to my collection. I could also update the information. So if I wanted to update record number 65, it would bring up record number 65, and then I could change that to something else. And that would also it would update the information on my database. And I could also delete a record. So if I wanted to delete 65 book title bookstore, if I clicked on it, it would be deleted. It wouldn't be there anymore. And if I wanted to purchase, I could purchase a book, poetry, nonfiction, or drama. And the shipping is $5 plus whatever the tax is at either New Mexico, California, or New York. And so if I would calculate a price for that, either for a nonfiction book, the tax, California tax, and I would get a different price. Also, if I added to the collection, but I entered non-alphabetic, if I entered special characters or numbers, then it would give me an error message. And it would also give me a list of all of the error messages on the page, which in this case was simply it had to be alphabetic and it couldn't be greater than 40 characters. So if I were to add 41 characters, I would get the same errors. Back to my home page. That is my project. It is a CRUD project that can create, retrieve information. It can update, delete, and I also added a page to purchase. Thank you. I enjoyed the class. I hope you have a nice summer.